I believe that business development is a fancy word for sales. So it's everything prospecting, it's everything networking. Now, here's where we get a little bit off kilter is a lot of times, and this happens more with larger companies, they'll classify business development and be like, you need to go to some shows, you need to network, you need to be a part of this. If you're going to a show and you don't have a precise plan for SLAs, how many sales am I going to get from this show? How many leads am I going to get from this show? How many awareness? And you might not be, I'm not going to get any sales there, but you should at least be able to say, there's 35 people attending here. I want to get at least 2 leads, and I want to make sure that 25 of the 35 are aware of what we do, who I am, and the types of things that we can do to help them or other people within their network. Again, we have to have a plan for everything. It's not just showing up there, but in my opinion, business development is the exact same as sales. It just has more of a panache to the way of saying it. And sometimes we use that as a way to say, oh, well, I'm doing this travel or I'm doing this thing. I don't think we should be doing anything unless we have a clear plan of action of what we're going to receive from that thing. Hey, it's Matt Easton. If you like this video, you're going to love this. I'm about to give you my closing mini masterclass absolutely free for you. Click the link here and I'm going to cover the $300. You're going to know how to close. Life is about to get a lot easier for you. No strings, no catches. I'm going to give you the closing mini masterclass for free right here, right now. I'll see you on the other side.